In this video, I want to show you how you can remote control a Windows 10 PC from your Windows 10 PC anywhere in the world using the Quick Assist program. The Quick Assist program is a program that is built in with Windows 10, and you don't have to install something like a third-party program or something like this. In my example here, this is my source machine, so I labeled it here source machine so that you can recognize it. And on my source machine, I want to control this machine. I put it in a virtual machine so that you can see everything in one screen. So this is a target machine. This machine can be local, it can be on the other end of the world, anywhere. The important thing is that it should have an internet connection. So this is a target machine. To remote control it on your source machine, you need to launch Quick Assist. So in the search box, type Quick Assist and then launch the program Quick Assist. In a Quick Assist here, you have two options. You have the first option, which is Get Assistance, and this is the option that the target machine will be choosing later. And the second option is to Give Assistance. And this is the option I'm gonna choose here because I wanna help this person that is using the target machine. So click on Assist Another Person, and then here you should sign in with your Microsoft account. It would be Outlook or Hotmail or Live or Windows Live. Any Microsoft account will do. So here I have my Microsoft account, which is knowledgesharingtech@outlook.com. I'm gonna sign in using it. So once you put it, click on Next. And if you signed in before, you don't have to re-enter your password. But if you didn't sign in before, you have to put your password, of course. And when you sign in, you have this screen in front of you. So this screen basically tells you that you need to share the security code with the target machine, and the security code will expire in 10 minutes. So simply you can either text the security code or send it with any other means. So now on the target machine, the user should also launch Quick Assist. This is what I'm doing. And on this screen here, under Get Assistance, they should put the code that is shown here. So the code is 741410, and they click on Share Screen. When they click on Share Screen here, it will contact the Microsoft server, the Quick Assist server, and here the helper, the person that is remote controlling the target machine, has two options. Either they will ask for full control, so this way they can operate the mouse and do whatever they want on the machine, or they can choose View Screen. In View Screen, simply they will only see the mouse moving when the target machine person here moves the mouse. So I'm gonna ignore this one here because it's only a subset of the full control. So I'm gonna choose Take Full Control, and then I'm gonna click on Continue. And you'll see here the connection will be established. So here on the target machine, the user will get this dialog box. So they can choose either cancel if they change their mind, or allow to allow the remote assistance. So here I'm gonna click, of course, allow. And you'll see that the connection will be established. And this is the connection established. Now you see when I move the mouse here on the source machine, it will move also on the target machine. And if you open a program, for instance, it will open also, of course, on the target machine. It's just like you are on the target machine. You have also here some options. I'm gonna walk you through these options one by one. So I'm gonna click the three dots just to see the details of the options. So let's start by pausing the session. You see now the session is paused, and you can just click on Resume the session. When you pause the session, the target machine will receive Screen Sharing is paused. And then if you click on Resume, it should resume. And this is it saying Screen Sharing is on. The second option is to end the remote control session, and I don't want to do this now, of course. We'll do it at the end of the video. The next two options only show if you chose the full control mode. If you chose the view only mode, you will not see Task Manager, and you will not see the restart option. So if you click on Task Manager, you can launch the Task Manager remotely on the remote machine. And here, of course, for instance, if you have a process that is blocking, you can end the process and do whatever Task Manager can do. And the option to restart the machine here, if you click on it and you click on Restart, it will give the target machine a counter here. So the user can either click on Restart Now or wait for the timer, or simply cancel the restart. I'm going to cancel the restart. And you have also 4 additional options. The first one is to toggle instruction channel. So the instruction channel, it means only a chat box. So here you can chat. And once you click send, the target machine will receive the chat, and it is in red here. And they can respond to you also. And this option here is to show you the full screen in case the target machine has a big screen. But for now, I just configured the display for a small setting. So even if I clicked here, it will not get all the screen. The next option is the annotation option. So you can use it to draw on the screen or to show the user something or to point out something like I am going to show you now. I'm going to click on Exit Annotation now. And the last option, in case the target machine has many monitors, you can choose which monitor you want to see. Here it has only one monitor, so this is not relevant. So here I'm going to click on Exit Selecting Monitors. So these were the options from the source machine using the Quick Assist program. From the target machine, the options you have is that the user can pause the remote control whenever they want, just by clicking on pause here. It will be paused. They can resume it. They can chat with you. Also, they can initiate the chat. They click send, you receive the chat here also. So you can click to see it. And they can also end the remote assistance session whenever they want. If they click on the X here, they can end the session, and I'm going to end it here. So I'm going to click on close. You see that the session has ended, and the source machine can no longer remote control the target machine. And that was all. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.